Hello everyone, welcome to my program, especially to SPM candidates for the year 2023-2024, and of course to Form 4 students as well. It's always good to know earlier, but it is never too late. Never too late. My name is Dr. Lee. Welcome to my program. I come from Bukit Mertajam, the northern part of peninsular Malaysia, and right now I'm staying in Kluang, Johor. So I'm taking this opportunity to give you some tips, or I would say to give you some extra knowledge as you prepare to enter the examination hall to sit for your SPM. I will discuss 3 subjects: English, or for now Bahasa Melayu, English and Sejarah. I will discuss these 3 subjects. As you can see on the board over here, I've written very clearly Bahasa Melayu. This will be my first video on ujian bertulis, that is the writing part. The second video, still the same ujian bertulis, the writing part, essay. I will show you how to write good essays in Bahasa Melayu. This paper is called 1103/1. You are given 2 hours to complete this paper. For ujian bertulis or the essay paper, you are given 2 parts, bahagian A and bahagian B. So bahagian A, you are given 1 question, and we call it wajib, compulsory. You are not to choose, you are not given a chance to choose actually. You have to write this essay. And it comes under what we call rangsangan, more or less I would say guided, whereby you may have a picture and notes or points, or you may have a chart and a picture, or you may have 2 pictures, and you are given 30 minutes to complete this essay. You have to write 150 to 200 words, this essay. So it is suggested that you spend 30 minutes to complete bahagian A, okay, where you refer to pictures or graphs or illustrations, 2 or more than 2. So as I said before, it could be a picture and notes, it could be a picture and a chart, and you have to use, first of all, huraikan pendapat kamu, that means your own idea, your own opinion, and you have to elaborate, okay? And then you have to berdasarkan maklumat yang diberi. That means your essay must be based on the notes that are given, on the pictures, on the graphs that are given, okay? Now, you should, here number A says that, you are given 2 or more than 2. So it could be a picture, a graph, and some notes. And you have to use all the information given to write your essay, 150 to 200 words. And the important thing you should know is whether it is 2 or more than 2 pictures or illustrations or graphs or notes. It could be 2, it could be more than 2, but it has the same theme, that means the same topic, okay? The only thing that is different is that it is presented in different ways, through different illustrations, like a picture and notes, or graph and picture. That's all. The theme is still the same. Okay, it's not 2 different things, it's the same thing. Maybe patriotism, okay, patriotism to your country, to our country, or the cultures of Malaysia, or festivals, one festival in Malaysia, or it could be anything to do with the society, like a gotong royong, or school, you know, where they have a mural painting and so on and so forth. And you are suggested to write 4 or 5 paragraphs. Okay, 4 or 5 paragraphs, and it must be a complete essay. So a complete essay, you will see that there is an introduction. There are 2 points given here, and then of course you need to have a conclusion. So it is suggested that you use or you write 30 to 40 words for your pendahuluan, that is the introduction, 50 to 60 words per paragraph for the isi, for the content, and 30 to 40 words for your kesimpulan or your conclusion. So this is bahagian A, part A. For part B, you are given 4 topics or 4 titles. 4 topics will be better. And you choose 1. 4, choose 1. So you are not to write all the 4. Do not write all the 4. Anyway, you don't have the time. So this karangan falls under the category, we call it subject response terbuka, is open. Okay, that means there are more choices. 70 marks, and you are suggested, it is suggested that you spend 1 hour and 30 minutes on this part, because the essay is much longer. 350 words to 500 words. And 1 theme. It's the same as here, 1 theme. It does not mean that you have many topics in 1 question. No, it's only 1. And we suggest, or it is suggested, that you write in 7 paragraphs. Bearing in mind that it is 350 to 500 words. So again, you need an introduction, pendahuluan, 1 paragraph. Isi, the content, 5 points, 5 paragraphs. Penutup or kesimpulan, which is the conclusion, 1 paragraph. In total, 7 paragraphs. For paragraph, for the introduction part, it is suggested you write 40 to 65 words. For the isi or the points, each paragraph 55 to 75 words. And for the penutup, kesimpulan, or what you call conclusion, you write in 40 to 60 words. Okay, so it will total up to around here, more than 350 and around 500 or a little bit more. Now, remember that when you write your essay, it is very important to look at the allocation, the time that you should allocate for each part. So do not spend too much time on one, especially the rangsangan. Okay, we have students who spend so much time here that they have no time to write the longer version. Or they spend too much time writing, trying to hit 700, 800, 1000 words. In the end, they discovered that they did not have the time to write bahagian A. And 30 marks are gone. You have to remember 30 marks. So here, no matter how long you write beyond 500, okay, you may say, oh, I want to write 1000 words. Okay, go ahead, fine. The maximum is still 70 marks. You can write 500, you can write 700, you can write 1000. Maximum is still 70 marks. So it does not mean that I write 1000 words so I can get 80. No, the maximum is 70. So you have to remember that. Okay, so look at the time, the suggested time, allocate your time properly, and there you go, write your essay. Okay, so this is for this video. I will follow the next video. I will tell you how to write your essay. Okay, so that you can do better. Alright, I know you can do very well. By now you are fully prepared. But of course, we hope you can do better. So goodbye for now. I will see you in the next video.